Hi, this is Durga Data and my register number is 15 CS220. Today I am going to explain about the database management system lab experiment, that is creating tables and setting constraints using DDL commands. So first my aim is to create the table using DDL commands, and so here what is meant by the DDL. So DDL is the data definition language which is used in computer language to define the data structures. So its history has been declared here. I have given here, and SQL is also one of the. First of all, DDL was subset of the SQL commands, and it is used to create the table and create statements like we can create the table by using this create keyword. And how to create the keyword table now, create table name, so that we can create the table whatever the name we want, we can give it there. And create statements is to make the new database table index or stored query, and we can inquire them by using the alter commands. We can update it, change it, and all update, we can update the details. And here is a drop statement. So drop is used to destroy an existing database table index or a view. So the typical usage is simply drop object name, object type and object name. Here drop table employees. So table with the name employees will be dropped, or else we can drop the column also. And here is my first question, that is for the student library schema, create the table with appropriate integrity constraints and describe the structure of the table. So here is my table. So create table. A table name I have given a student, and the student number with the variable as number 7. So here I have given its details as the number type and with the size 7. So and they have declared it as primary key, and student name it's varchar 10. So here we can give the name, number, anything in this varchar question, but its length should be 10. So here is the execution thing screenshot. Create table student number. I have given it number as 7 and construct p with primary key, and student name varchar 20, department varchar, and memory number varchar. So if you want to add one more column, we can add that column here with the same name and its type and the size. And so it is showing a table is created, and display the column name and data type of the table student membership book and issue table. So here I have created all the tables, and in order to display all the tables is student. So DASESTUDE. So it is a student table name. So this table name will represent display the all the table columns and its type with the keys, whether it is null or not null. So change the data type of the student number attribute to varchar. I have given the data type of the student number is number, and if I want to change it to varchar, because name can't be name cannot be number. So I'm going to change it. So alter command is used to modify the table. Alter table name is stood, and modify student number varchar 10. So here I am changing that. So varchar, here it is varchar 10 is displayed here after changing that. And the question 4 is modify the attribute student name to varchar and library staff to varchar 5 with the size 5 in the student and member tables. So here I have to change both the tables. So first table, alter table name is student, and what I have to change is student name. I have to change. So student name varchar 20 I have given, and alter table another one table name is member, and modify library staff to varchar 5, where student ID varchar 5, so staff ID varchar 5. So I am changing. I have changed that. So these are the screenshots of it. And fifth question is add a new column a year number in the member table. So the command is alter table or table name, add a year number of size 10. So already for the given table, this a year column has been added with the attribute type as number 10. And in the sixth question, ensure by adding appropriate constraints in order column of the book table is valid input, not null unit. So alter table book add constraint unit author. So when we type this command, there the screenshot will appear and we can output will come there. So add a column login time field in member table and drop a column from the member table. So here alter table member add login time date. So now in the membership table I have added the login time as a column there. So login time is came here and its type is date, and create primary key constraint which alter command for the above schema. So which alter command add primary key. So alter table name is for example student I have given, and add primary key student number. So when we type this command there, the execution will be changed, and here I have changed the student primary key I have given this student number. And now create foreign key constraints with table level with alter command. So alter table student add foreign key student name stud is the table name and add foreign key. So I am adding foreign key as member number, memory number, reference member, memory number. So from the member table I am linking with the student table by using foreign key. So here the foreign key has been given here. So this student here memory number is been linked with the memory number in the membership table, and add a check constraint to price column in the book table, find column in issue record and check the value in the above file. So I have given the alter table book and check price is greater than 200. So this greater than 200 command we can use to check whether we can use the less than or equal to, we can use anything, and rename IASN record to issue record. So here first I have given the table name as IASN record and I have to change it to issue record. So alter table ISS or is a record name rename to or whatever the record whatever the name we want to give. So we can change that thing and create new database and list of show database. So create database DD start. So database already mounted. So we can create the new database and remove the author column in the book table. So author column I have to delete. So alter table book drop column author. So from the book table I'm dropping the column by name author and add the author column in book table. So I have to add the author column into the book table. So here is a alter table book and add author varchar 2 of 25. So here author column with varchar type of 25 size has been added into the book table book. So this is how we can use the DDL commands to create a table. So thank you.